Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and good morning. Overall, I already said that, but welcome to this video on the OMG token, or OMIZAGO for those crypto veterans out there who still know the old name. But wanted to make a video on that after, well, the last 24 hours for OMG have been crazy, to say the least. We rallied up an enormous amount. The volume right now is over $1.1 billion. Yes, you heard that correctly. And it's 100% manipulated. If you take a look at where that volume is coming from, it mostly comes from incredible sources, or at least unreliable sources. That's also why I tried to short it yesterday, so I'm a little bit salty on that. But that's just the risks with manipulated tokens, right? So it's a possibility that this can happen. But in this video, I just wanted to give you my thoughts on what's happening right now with OMG. What can you expect? What are the fundamentals behind it? Those type of things. Before we get into that, though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links in either the comments, in the pinned comment, or the description. There you find instructions on how to join. All right, so what you can see is that OMG, with this entire rally, we went up to this level around 2.5, 2.35. Major resistance, first of all, has that 1.618, which is pretty strong. And 2.5 is a psychological resistance level, which is very, very strong. So we dropped down below that. We had the first bearish confirmation when we dropped down below 2.2. And now the second bearish confirmation would be breaking below 2.05. That's our main support right now. You can already see that we're kind of giving up on 0.382, that fib. So the one thing that could happen is that we're going to find support at 2.05. The one thing that the only way we could go back up to 2.5, the only way there's still short-term hope for OMG, is if from that level at 2.05, which is not a major support level, but it is a support level, if from there we could break above 2.2 again, because that is now, as I said, that's the level we broke down below. That's the main resistance level right now. If we can break above that, all right, well, then we can actually get back up to 2.5 and get even higher. And to be honest, because of what we've seen in the last during the last night, this is a possibility. I would say it's not the most likely scenario. I think it's more likely that, sure, we'll find some more support at around 2.05, but that from there we'll drop down below that, find some support at $2, take a break retest, and start falling down to at least 1.85. That's our next really strong support level, a support level I think we can actually respect. And then from 1.05, we'll have to see again. I mean, what happens, to be honest with you, depends a lot on what kind of support we get there. If we drop down to 1.85 and we go all the way up to 2.05 from there, then it's a strong support and we'll probably hold it. But if we barely get any support, and Bitcoin is also bearish during the time that we get down there, then we'll probably still drop down below that after consolidating on top of it for a little, and then we'll drop down to 1.6, 1.65. I think this is the most likely scenario, but let's just keep it at that initial drop to 1.85 as my analysis, because in the end, the market right now at this point of time is still very, very bullish, and OMG, as we have seen earlier as well, has the capability of a lot of bullish momentum as well. So that's my take on OMG for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.